Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Chef, which is by Convex. So Convex, if you don't know, is like a backend engineering app. So it has like ability to create backends for you. And now it released something called Chef, which is like to generate and launch real-time full stack apps. So you can create any web app if you want with authentication, everything working in backend, storage, cron jobs, everything. So it's very easy to build full stack web apps with this. So you can just click on Slack clone and it will create a Slack clone for you with working authentication, authorization, everything. So apps like Lovable, Bolt needs to add like a super base backend or something, but every prompt here creates a backend for you, and it's very easy to work with that. So let me just open app that I've created already. So this is an app for my office. So we track our personal attendance, personal subscription, everything here. So yeah, so I've talked with it a lot. I use my own API key because the API, the tokens that they give me here is fully used up. So I use my own API key, and you can track everything here. So it's pretty easy, and it gives us the database for everything. So it's just very easy to have authentic users, everything at one place, and you can just go in, track everything, and that's all. So yeah, the code is fully generated by Convex. I didn't touch anything in the code, so you don't have to touch anything. You can just ask it. So if you want a better design, you can ask it for better design. If you want dock mode, you can ask it for dock mode. If you want to be mobile responsive, you can do that. So yeah, it's just you can just ask it for everything, and once you deploy it, you'll get a application URL that you can do anything with it. So yeah, try it out. So if you are like a designer, you can now you have the ability to create web apps. You can just create anything that you want and publish it, and yeah, you don't have to rely on a developer anymore. So that's new. So go and try it out. It's chef.convex.dev. Try it out and let me know how it goes. That's it for this video. Bye bye.